Have you ever experienced that dreaded flat tire on a busy day? We've all been there, right? A flat tire in the worst possible moment. You're left wondering, why do tires need air anyway? And then you might have asked yourself, why don't people use airless tires? Alright, let's start with the basics. Airless tires are exactly what they sound like, tires that don't need air to stay inflated. Instead, they're made from solid materials or have a special structure that keeps them in shape and supports your vehicle. Sounds like something from the future, right? But it's here now, and pretty fascinating. So, what's all this hype about? Almost a quarter of all roadside emergencies are caused by tire problems. In fact, it's estimated that around 220 million flat tires happen every year in the United States alone. On average, a driver in the United States will experience about 5 flat tires throughout their lifetime on the road. Let's talk about the advantages of airless tires. First up, no more flat tires. Seriously, you can drive over nails, glass, or any sharp object without worrying about getting a flat. That's a huge relief, especially if you've ever had to change a tire on the side of the road. Another advantage is safety. Traditional tires can blow out at high speeds, which is dangerous. Tire blowouts are behind 70% of serious highway traffic accidents. Airless tires eliminate that risk. Imagine driving down the highway without worrying about a sudden blowout. It's a safer option. Another big plus is cost savings over time. Without the need for regular pressure checks and the risk of punctures, you'll spend less on maintenance. Plus, airless tires usually last longer than traditional ones, meaning fewer replacements. It's like giving your wallet a break. Depending on some factors, but generally, we can expect airless tires to have a lifespan of about 10 years or more. That is 2 to 3 times the average lifespan of traditional tires. Due to their durability, it is not required for cars to carry a spare airless tire, which can save fuel or battery life and allows for more space in the vehicle. If you're an off-road adventurer, you're going to love this. Airless tires handle rough terrain like a monster. They're designed to provide a smooth and reliable ride, no matter how bumpy the trail. So, whether you're exploring the great outdoors or just navigating a rough road, these tires have got your back. According to a report by the Tire Industry Project for the World Business Council for Sustainable Development, 1 billion end-of-life tires are generated every year. And there are currently 4 billion such tires in landfills and stockpiles worldwide. On the environmental side, airless tires can be more eco-friendly. They require eco-friendlier and biodegradable materials and are easier to recycle. So, by switching to airless tires, you're not just making life easier for yourself, you're also doing a little bit of good for the planet. But hey, nothing's perfect, right? Airless tires have their drawbacks too. Let's get into those. Airless tires, being stiffer than pneumatic tires, transmit more road irregularities to the suspension, resulting in increased vibrations felt by vehicle occupants. At speeds above 80 km per hour, road noise and vehicle shaking become more pronounced. Additionally, the increased drag from these tires can further affect ride comfort and vehicle performance. There's also the cost factor. While you might save on maintenance in the long run, the initial cost of airless tires can be higher. That's a big deal for a lot of people, especially when traditional tires are cheaper and more accessible. Plus, airless tires are still relatively new and not fully tested under all conditions. We're talking long-term durability, performance in extreme weather, or high-speed driving. Traditional tires have a proven track record, and it might take some time for airless tires to achieve the same good specifications. Durability at high speeds of airless tires is not yet proved to be sufficient. Since 1999, major tire manufacturers have been developing airless tires. However, they claim that their airless tires won't be ready for road use until 2026 or even as late as 2030. Airless tires are proving to be a versatile and reliable option across various industries. Their durability, low maintenance requirements, and resistance to punctures make them an excellent choice for applications. In military and defense, agriculture, construction and mining, material handling equipment, and even space missions. So, what's next for airless tires? With ongoing tech improvements, we can expect better designs and performance. Imagine a future where flat tires are ancient history, where cars handle any terrain like a king, and our tires are just as green as our vehicles. It's not as far off as you might think. As technology advances, airless tires could become a game changer. From enhancing safety to reducing environmental impact, they have the potential to transform the way we drive. It's an exciting time in the automotive world, and we can't wait to see what happens next. Thank you for watching our first video. We hope you enjoyed it. We'll be making more videos soon, so stay tuned.